Let's throw away my old makeup.
I've had these Fenty matchsticks for more than 5 years and I think it's time to go. They kind of smell weird as well. So I had this Fenty stick for a little over a year. So I'm gonna keep this. Let's do cushion foundation. First, this is by Hamish. This one definitely has to go. MAC Studio. This expired in April. M Cosmetic. Expired last year. Hera. This isn't expired, but I finished it. So. Cleo Kill Cover Cushion. This is less than a year. Lastly, Tongsimur Cushion. I just don't like this cushion foundation, so I'm still going to keep the case just in case, because then I could just buy a refill. Next, Hamish BB creams. I got this as a gift, but I'm gonna toss away 2 of them because they're way too light. However, I'm gonna keep these 2 because it matches my skin tone, and I just love these. These are the best BB creams, so I want to finish these. Eyeshadow palettes. I'm gonna keep these 2 by ColourPop because they're a little over a year and they're still good. Roman K Heritage eyeshadow palette. This expired last year. Very beautiful, but Hamish Daylism eye palette in Nudie Rose. This is still good. It's not expired, so I'm going to keep this. Cleo Pro eye palette in Autumn Breeze and Soul Forest. This expired last month and it has a funky smell, so this breaks my heart because I love this palette. Daisy Shadow Palette in Chocolate Fudge. I think this is expired. It does have a slight funk to it. I love this eyeshadow palette. It's a great daily neutral eyeshadow palette. But lastly, 3CE Creative Filter eyeshadow palette. Very beautiful. I use this palette every single day, but I've had this for a really long time and it does have a slight smell to it. So moving on to face makeup. This is MAC Compact Powder. I had this for a really long time, so it has to go. But I'm gonna keep the case. I'm just gonna pop the powder out. You see blusher in Youth Pink. This is honestly my favorite blush. It's the perfect pink, but it's very old, so. To contour powder. I mean, I don't think I need to say anything about this one. ColourPop Super Shock highlighter in Windmill. I don't think this is the right color for me, so. Roman highlighter in Moon Kiss Veil. Super old, expired last year. Go. Pity Petta blush in Sunny Pink. It doesn't really show up on my skin unless I layer it a lot, and I don't want to just cake my face with blush. So Lily by Red blush and highlighter, expired last year. Very, very old. Breaks my heart because this is the best highlighter ever. I'm gonna do a speed round. Benefit Ka Brow. Be Ready concealer for men. ColourPop cream gel eyeliner in Ugly Gold. ColourPop liquid liner, felt tip, the worst liner ever. And lastly, Benefit Gimme Brow. I'll be doing lip products in my next video.